ladies and gentlemen, anak po, starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, River Cruz, and of course, Lizan Lopez, kasama po si Ms. Gina Alojara. So, tuloy-tuloy po tayo sa ating program. In just a few minutes po, we're about to show you our same-day event presentation video, which is the last part of the event. Here's an INC song for Harris and Veronica. Ayan, before we move on sa second and last segment ng ating event. So once again, please stay with us because in just a few minutes po, mapapamigay din tayo ng prizes and also, of course, we will be choosing who among yung mga nandito po ang susunod kina Harris and Veronica. But for the meantime, enjoy your lunch prepared to by Alvis Events Catering Services.